Hey y'all. So obviously I'm outside today, and as you can see, the lovely flowers are blooming, chickens are happy, but we are in a bit of chaos in my neck of the woods, as they would say. We've had over 20 inches of rain in the last few days, and we're flooding here in Texas. It's not that uncommon to flood, but usually that's street flooding. You know, some houses, my house sits on a lake, but we're up on a slope, so we're fine. Let me clarify that. And we try not to be a negative channel. We don't need to tell you that the world is going to hell in a handbasket over and over again. Yes, I know that'll get you a lot of views, but it's not healthy, and we would rather be the calm in the middle of the chaos. But I did think that I should probably show y'all a bit of what's going on around here. So you're like, why has it been a month since you worked on your house or gardened? Well, let me show you. So again, this is my house up here. This is a neighbor's car, one of their project cars. We told them they could park over here because that's normally not full of water, and now it is. The water is normally, see that tree, that pine tree right in the middle of my screen? Right, let's see, there. Water does not normally come up past that, and now it has. And it has not crested yet, so it's going to get higher. That's my neighbor's house. And the water has receded a bit, but as you can see, it's up over their foundation. Their well is right there. It's underwater. Their air conditioner is right there, underwater. And they had evacuated. You can see their driveways underwater where their cars would have been. And there's their garage. And this lot's not normally underwater. Right there in the middle, you can see the turtles have found a high spot. And that house there has water in it. And this garage right here doesn't normally have water in it either. So I'm going to drive over to our private neighborhood park and see what the status of that is. Because the last time I went over there, it was completely submerged in water. This is all underwater now. This is all underwater now. That's usually grass. These houses are built up on stilts, so that's good. And that is the neighborhood park, completely underwater. And we got an alert that the bridge Tommy takes to and from work, that we all take to the stores and everything, is closed because there's water over it. So I'm going to go see if Tommy's going to be able to get home in 10 minutes or an hour and a half, because to take another route will take him much longer. So let's go see if the bridge is actually closed. Well, I'm not seeing any signs saying that the bridge is closed and people are driving across it. So it looks like they have reopened the bridge. So that's good news for Tommy. There's the lake that we live on. So that's very sad. And I have made it back home safely, and this is where I'm going to stay for the rest of the weekend and hope that the water recedes, although it looks like it's about to rain again. We don't need any more rain anytime soon. I know we will be having droughts this summer, you know, and we'll be wishing for rain. My poor neighbors need a break. My work is high and dry, but all around it is completely submerged. So I probably couldn't get to work if I wanted to, because all routes have some sort of an issue. Like I said, I don't like to be the doom and gloom channel. I like to keep it positive. So I'm not going to do a bunch of videos on this and harp on the tragedy that's going on around here. But anyway, I wanted y'all to see what's going on. And some family members watch my channel too and have been concerned. We are fine. I'm not even slightly concerned that my house will flood. We didn't flood during Hurricane Harvey, and we're not going to flood now unless a dam breaks or something. We've got 2 dams north of us. If one of them were to break, then we might have an issue at some point, but we should never flood in this house. So I'll put some pictures of what's going on in other areas. I didn't want to drive around in areas that are flooded. That's not safe. That's not smart. And I'll put those at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I believe in the power of prayer, and hopefully you'll join me in praying for all of my neighbors and fellow Texans who are going through this right now. You guys have a great weekend.
You saw me on my knees crying out to my Creator. You saw me at your feet, broken apart, begging for relief.